Okay, hello everyone. Okay, 上一次我就讲到说 the difference between the concave lens and convex lens. Okay, so convex lens is refract the light and focus at the focal point. Then concave lens 是它会 refract the light and diverge from the focal point. So the size, the shape of the convex lens 是 thicker at the center. Then the concave lens 是 thinner at the center. And convex lens, the position of the object will affect the characteristics of the image. 我有讲过wait. Then concave lens always virtual, upright 跟 diminish. 而且上一个video 我有讲过说how to identify the characteristics of image based on the three categories. Okay, either 是 real 还是 virtual， 还有第二个就是 either 还是 inverted 还是 upright， 还有就是它的 size same size diminish or magnify。 OK， so 在这一边我可以给你一个what do we call as the summary。 OK， summary of convex lens。 OK， 它的 characteristics of the image。 你们要的话你们可以抄下来这一个。 OK， 因为我们知道 the characteristics of the image, okay, in the convex lens, okay, is based on the position of the object. 所以呢我们可以用这一个 diagram 来 summary that, okay, 这个是 convex lens. So 这边是我们的 focal point and 这一边是我们的 2F. Okay, this will be one guideline and the bottom one will be another guideline. Okay, 上面这个 guideline is for you to identify 它 either 是 real, inverted 还是 virtual, upright. Okay, 如果它是 before F 的话，如果那个 object falls before F, okay, 它就是 virtual 跟 upright. Okay, then 这边就是 real, after more than that 就是 real inverted. Okay, so 我们已经 identify the two characteristics of the image already. 两个 category 就是 either 是 real 还是 virtual 还有 inverted 还是 upright. 我们剩下的就是我们的 size. 下面这一条 guideline is for you to identify the size of the image. Okay, 如果是 before 2F 的话，它会是 magnify. Okay, exactly at 2F 就是 same size. Then 这一边 more than 2F 就是 diminish. So based on 这个 summary, 你很 you are able to easily identify the position of the characteristic of the image. So 我给你一个 for example, 它讲说identify the characteristics of the image if the object is placed in front of the focal point. Okay, in front of the focal point. 还是要跟你讲说 less than focal length. Okay, the object distance is less than the focal length. Okay, so 在这边呢，我们就可以知道讲说 what is the characteristics. Okay, 你这边你就看到了咯 virtual, upright 跟 magnify. So this is the purpose of this summary. Okay, 可以让你一次就可以 identify 到 the characteristics of the image, but 这个 only applicable on convex lens and also concave mirror. Okay, convex lens 跟 concave mirror 是一样的东西来的。concave lens 跟 convex mirror 是一样的东西。Okay, Then for concave lens, 无论你的 object 在哪里都好，它的 image always it will be virtual, upright 跟 diminish. OK, 一定是 virtual, upright 跟 diminish. 所以我就没有画这个 summary of the convex lens 给你了。OK, as a concave lens 给你了，因为它的 image 怎样都好，你的 object 再远再近都好，它的 image form will be always virtual, upright 跟 diminish. OK, so next. OK, so next 我们就会学一个 formula 叫做 lens formula, thin lens formula. So this is the formula 1 over f is equals to 1 over u plus 1 over v, where the f is the focal length and the u is the object distance, v is the image distance. Okay, then 我们可以用一个 experiment to determine the object distance and the image distance. Actually, from this experiment 我们就可以知道object distance increase 你的 image distance 是会 decrease 的。所以呢，如果你画一个 1 over v 1 over u 的话 you will get a decreasing linear line graph. Okay, decreasing linear line graph. Okay, so this is the experiment for you to determine, okay, the object distance and image distance, then 我们就可以找到我们的 focal length. Okay, so 这一边你这一个 bulb 就是你的 object 来的。Okay, so from the object to the convex lens 我们就叫做 object distance 就是 u. Then from the lens to the screen 为什么我们讲这个 screen 是 image distance 呢？因为 after that I mean when we are doing the experiment we will have the image. Okay, we will have the image on the white screen. Then 那一个 image 就是 help you to determine the image distance from the image to the convex lens. Okay, 这个就是它的那个setup of the apparatus. Okay, so next 我会给你看一个 video 关系到这个 experiment 的。Okay. OK， 刚才那个 video 就是很 simple 的跟你讲说 different position of the object will produce different kind of characteristics of the image， 而且呢，你可以用这个 experiment to identify the image distance and also object distance. So from that experiment that I showed you just now, you will get this kind of graph, okay, which is 1 over v divided by 1 over u is equals 就是讲你的那个 graph 就会这样子。OK， 你的 graph 就会这样子下来。OK， so which means that OK， 如果 from this graph y is equals to negative mx plus c， 为什么是 negative 呢？因为你的那个graph 是 going down， 所以你的 gradient 是会 negative。OK，so 如果我们 substitute 进去 y 是 y axis 就是 1 over v equals to negative 1 over u plus 1 over f。So 如果我们又再 rearrange 这一个 formula 的话，你 will get 1 over v is equals to 1 over u plus 1 over v. Sorry, 1 over f equals to 1 over u plus 1 over v. This is how you get this formula, thin lens formula. Okay, so 这一边我们有problem solving relating to the thin lens formula 的话呢，如果你看到你的 focal length 它是一个 convex lens 的话，你的 focal length 就是 positive value， 你的 concave lens 的 focal length 就是 negative value。Object distance 一定会是 always positive 的，为什么？因为 positive value 其实是告诉你说的 the object is a real object。OK， 是一个 real object， 所以它 always is a positive value。Image distance 如果是 positive 的话，就是说它是 real image； 如果它是 virtual 的话，就是说它是 negative。所以你可以 from 那个 readings 那个 value of 你的 image distance to identify 到 whether 它是一个 real image 还是 virtual image。And once you get a real image， 你就知道它是 real inverted 还是怎样这样子。OK，and also power。OK， 如果是 convex lens 的话 ，you will get a positive power； 如果是 concave lens 的话 ，you will get a negative power. So how to identify, how to calculate power? Power is equals to 1 over focal length. And the what do you call? The unit of the power is diopter. Okay, 大号 D. Okay, so from 这一个 reading, okay, 这一个 what do we call as the formula of the power? 你可以知道讲说 power is inversely proportional to the focal length. In other words, 你 higher power, you will get a shorter focal length. So 是 inversely proportional. Okay, so 这个就是关系到 thin lens formula. Okay,